Hello and welcome to Cook It Like Chef Shrimpy, my St. Patrick's dinner. Let's get started. Let's put our corned beef to boil. Got a pot of water here at boiling point, so we're gonna put that to cook. Setting up our lovely cabbage that is gonna accompany this beautiful corned beef. Some carrots in here, just like that. And we're gonna cook that down. Okay, now let's get our vegetables ready for this beautiful corned beef. We'll cut these celery sticks into 1-inch cuts. These carrots we're gonna cut into little bits of sticks, just like that. Our onions, we're just gonna cut them in half-moon chunks. So that is for our corned beef. Okay, this is our steamed cabbage that is gonna be part of our dish. Let's stir this up a little bit. So since we want our vegetables al dente so we can preserve the nutrients, I'm gonna turn this thing off right now. Our potato is ready. That's what we're gonna use to accompany our beautiful corned beef. Plain old boiled potatoes. Okay, our corned beef has been cooking now for an hour and a half. We're gonna take this out and we're gonna transport it to the oven. And that's where we're going to finish it. I already have the oven preset at 400 degrees. Okay, now let's start our caramel. So we're gonna have the sugar. You want to keep your flame on high. Basically, you're just trying to melt the sugar. When doing caramel, it's good for you to use a metal spoon, because once that sugar is melted, a small portion of it is gonna stick to the spoon. So whenever time you add your liquid to that burnt sugar, you have to leave the spoon in the pot, or whatever is holding on to it or sticks onto it and cooked off into the caramel that you are making. Okay, the sugar is nicely carameled. Now I'm gonna add a cup and a half of orange juice to this. And you want to let this reduce to its own thickness. So we're gonna leave that right there and let it cook. Here and there we're gonna give it a stir until it reduces to the thickness that you want. Then we're gonna add all that lovely vegetables while our corned beef is in the oven getting a good braisy golden brown color. As our caramel reducing, now I will remove the spoon. As you can see, all that what was sticked on the back of it, it's all dissolved into this beauty. Getting to where we want it. You can see that is getting thicker. So I'm gonna add all my vegetables to this. And whenever you're making caramel at home, try not to touch it with your finger or try to taste it. It is like burnt sugar, and wherever on your body that it holds on to, it's gonna leave a mark. Alright, so I'm gonna saute all these lovely vegetables. I'm gonna add a pinch of black pepper to this and also a pinch of salt, just for taste and consistency. We got that corned beef in the oven now, cooking for 22 minutes. Now we're gonna spread these vegetables and caramel over it and pop it right back into the oven. Whatever vegetable is on top of it, let it stay right there so all that flavor can soak in. Okay, it's been 18 minutes now since we had the caramel and vegetable to this beauty. So it's been in the oven, braising away. So now I just want to base it. Put some of this in here. This has been cooking on 450, basting it properly. Put it back to cook. Okay, let's check this beautiful corned beef. Let's check the texture of this caramel. I think we have the texture that we're looking for. So this thing is done and it is ready. Okay, this is our beautiful corned beef. You gotta try this one at home. Once you try this recipe at home, you will not only eat corned beef only on St. Patrick's Day anymore. You will make it a weekly diet. It's one of the most superb tasting corned beef you will ever have. It's a Chef Shrimpy special. Try it. You're gonna love it. Nice and tender. Oh, that's what we're talking about right there. Nice and tender and lean. Okay, let's give it a shot and see what we got here. Very good blend. Very tender, very tasty. Oh, you gotta try this. This one is off the hook. Nice and caramelized. Oh. Happy St. Patrick's. Please like, share, and subscribe.